Hello, Kavita. How are you, dear?
I'm fine, Sonam. Hi, and hi to everyone. Big hello to everyone watching us.
Okay. So, Kavita, as I know about yourself, but my for viewer, could you please introduce about yourself and about your YouTube channel and all that thing?
Okay, so firstly, I want everyone to listen to both of us from starting to end. And thank you, everyone, for joining to us. In the beginning, I would like to introduce my name is Kavita Divakar, and she is my friend Sonam, who has invited me over here to introduce me to you all. And I am also a YouTuber, unlike Sonam, and I create English content. And I create something different than other creators because I do not involve conversation. I usually create my own solo videos and help people understand the speaking skills of English. So if anybody wishes to connect with me, you can simply connect through your YouTube search box typing Kavita Divakar. So this is all my history is. I am a YouTuber. I am Kavita and she's my friend Sonam. So I hope you know us. What else, Sonam? What else should I say?
Okay. Yeah, it's a very good introduction. So, hope so people will be like and coming in your channel and they will connect with you more. So,
Yes,
and
if
they
they
will
wish
get a
to. If they wish
yeah.
to. It's no compulsion for anybody. If they wish to, right?
Yes.
It's our
I
duty to work on our skills and
yes.
help people. If anybody is willing, they'll come. If they doesn't, they'll not.
Yes. Because as my suggestion, because I watch your YouTube channel, I learn a very good thing. So
Oh,
if my viewer is following me, so I will suggest please follow the Kavita's channel also because you can learn a very good kind of thing.
okay.
That's
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You appreciated me directly on video. Did thank you so much.
No, because because when I saw your first YouTube channel, like a video, it will be feel like just like you and me are both are the same. So
Right.
yes, we and I like your conversation to connecting with your with a different kind of people and your confidence, the way you are speaking. So that
Right.
is why I have planned to conversation with you. So
Thank you.
and I saw you are a very good English communication. So how you like learn all that thing? Could you please explain about your journey about English?
I would only say it in very short because I know that viewers don't like to watch long videos. In very short sentences, I would only say that I learned English by myself. I did not
Okay.
join any coaching or any internet service because when I started learning English, I was very young. I was in class 7th and 8th. Since then, I am practicing English to a very quite good extent and I'm still learning even today. Maybe today I am an advanced learner, but I still, if I see anybody speaking a good sentence, if I find that this word is catchy and I need to learn this, I observe them very carefully, I copy them and I speak like them. So the only journey I have been through since the beginning till now is I have observed people, I have heard people a lot, and I have tried talking like them many a times, and I do it even today. So it's no shame disclosing it to everyone that I
Hmm.
have seen famous people, not here and there, but famous people. For example, I've seen people on news channel who deliver English news. I used to see them and try speaking 2 or 3 sentences like them when I was a kid. And later on, when I came across my teachers, whatever they used to explain, I used to see that how they talk. And later on, I used to copy them and talk in their sense, like how are they teaching, what are they doing. Later on, when I started speaking to myself, it helped me a lot because in the beginning I used to copy other people, but later on I started talking to myself. I do it even today, and I show this really in front of everyone through my videos on YouTube. This is why I consider that watching YouTube is also beneficial to some extent, because that time when we were very young, we did not have YouTube, right? If you know,
Yes.
and if our audience knows, this is lately very near to 4 or 5 years. Okay,
Yes.
this has
You
been an
can say
evolution.
YouTube. You can say YouTube are there, but we are not like we are not using the Android mobile. You can say that time, so we are not much
Yes.
aware about all that things.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. And I feel that internet connection and the cost of internet connectivity was also too high, and which we felt like it's not good investing on all this. We did not knew the pros of all these things. So we never took the advantage of it. So That's okay, but if people are watching us today, they have YouTube platform, they have many such platform to connect with people or to listen to maximum people as much as they could, right?
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so Kavita, I have just one question to you because some of the people I have conversed with them, so
Mhm.
they are like all the time they are telling me we don't have like a partner and we just afraid to talk with someone. So what
Right.
your like opinion about that? So
Why?
that people how can improve themselves?
If they're watching my videos, they'll know that since the beginning till the end, in every video I have said that I keep talking to myself. If anybody still says that I do not have a conversation partner, it's just that they are giving an excuse. Okay,
Okay.
this does not matter if you are willing to learn it by yourself. Many a times what happens, there are people who want to give more of excuses, less of
Yes.
explanation, more of excuses. They are not ready to invest their time and try listening. In fact, I've seen through conversation also people get to hear so much new things, right? Through new sentences or maybe new words. Hearing
Yes.
conversation is also a good step, which you have started through your YouTube channel. People are watching that. I've seen your YouTube channel, it's working well. So through that also, if people are watching a conversation, at least try pausing the conversation in between, and whatever you have heard, try speaking that all together in your own language, because unless you start speaking up, you will only be able to write but never to speak. For speaking, if you want, you will have to speak up and try speaking it yourself. Try to ask yourself some question and answer it by yourself. Why do you need a partner only to come in front of you and ask you some question, and only then in front of them only you will speak? Why not with yourself? And this is what I have been following since years. I'm nobody rich as such. I have studied, and through my studies only I have thought that everything will come from within if you start it by yourself. Nobody is giving you an opportunity, okay, come, let's have a conversation in English. Nobody is going to come. In fact, if somebody comes to you and talks to you in English, they might be a learner again like you, and they might make more mistakes than even you. Then how
Yes.
come are you going to correct each other when both of them are learner and both of them are making the same mistakes, right?
Yes.
So if you are
Yes.
learning from a learner only, it's better to talk to yourself, right? This is what I have been doing generously for years, and I have improved my fluency a lot. And I'm still planning to improve it further for an advanced level and try speaking more better. That's it, Sonam. I thought I have spoken it a lot, maybe. Anything
Yes. Yes.
else?
Yes, actually, Kavita, see, because I am the people, I am also not very well speaking. Like now, I am speaking with you. I was not like speaking before the 4 month, you can say. And because in this way, like a converse with some kind of people, I'm
Right.
improving in that way. If I'm afraid, if I'm like feeling hesitation, so I can't talk with you like in this way. So I
Right.
always telling this thing, uh, remove the because it's all in our mind, so we have to like remove all that thing. So
Right.
until like you, because I know the each and everything about the English, but instead of I'm not speaking, that's why it's happened. So
Right.
like might be like a more of the people like me, they are have a good knowledge and they have a very good degree, you can say, but they are not speaking and they are always telling we not speaking so that we are not
Right, I can understand this, and this has happened with lot of people. It used to happen with me. If I tell you my truth, in the beginning when I started, I was able to speak just one or two sentences. And after those sentences, I was scared. That nervousness used to fill up so much that this lady is speaking more better than me. If I speak in front of her, maybe I'll get nervous. I'll speak something wrong, and she'll laugh on me. She'll think that this girl doesn't know English, and this used to
yes,
happen. So after every one or two sentences, okay, yes, ma'am, I am studying, but I am not getting marks. I will try next time. This was the case when I started. And this
yes,
happens with everyone. This has happened with me and everybody who is wishing to begin with their English learning. This will happen with you also. But you need to have that courage to speak, forgetting
yes,
that what people are going to think about you. The way you have been bold enough to create a YouTube channel and start talking to everyone, that's actually courageous. People are not willing to show themselves in front of other. All right, if it is wrong, then what's the problem, ma'am? Try. Trying is more important than becoming a failure later on. Later on,
yes,
when you grow really old, now we are in the age group of 20s, right? After 30s, you will again feel like, oh, I should have learned, but now I've grown 30. Now I people will think, oh, she's so old now. Is she learning English now? You have kids and you're learning English now? They'll talk like that, isn't it? So it's better starting it now. I started it when I was a kid, so I did not even know the importance of English so well that this is going to help me someday. So I started it at a very early age because I was liking people. I used to like when people used to talk so fluently, and I thought that why not me become like them someday? And I have improved a lot. So I would only say that in the beginning, you will have to start with broken English. You will have to face the fear. You will be nervous. You will be unconfident, but please don't give up. Try doing
Yes,
it. Try
yes,
each day. You will see a single improvement. Maybe a single sentence will be improved, but the improvement is sure to be seen. It will be seen. That is
yes,
it.
yes. It's very true line whatever you're saying right now to with me, and I hope so my viewer, if they were watching, and they will motivate themselves and try to speak without any kind of fear and
I
hesitations.
am asking our audience, whether they are your people or my people. For me, everyone is my audience. I would say all my audience that I am the real example of how I have learned it by myself. I'm saying it to you, I'm saying it to everyone watching us, that it's not that only conversation and surrounding with good people will help you in improving your English, but your own willingness, your own desire, your own talking sense will help you to improve. You need not have somebody surrounded, only then they will pressurize you, okay, go learn English, learn English. Nobody's going to do that. If you want to compete in this today's world, if you want to match your standard with everybody else in your surrounding, you will have to take the step and you will have to start talking to yourself from today onwards. It does not matter what you talk. It does not even feel like you need to have sense and logic while speaking. Whatever comes to your mind, speak. For example, now I am talking to you, you are hearing, but if you were not even hearing, I would have spoken. I'm so good at it. Now I talk a lot. I'm so sorry. I talk a lot. I have the habit of talking so much because I've spoken to myself so much that I can speak for hours. Even if you do not impose question, I have so much extra to put on it. So
Yes, yes,
that's the
I
case
know.
that keeps
I
happening.
You can say I'm aware about your side very well because I have watching a lots of your videos, so I know about your very talkative kind of person. So that is why I just want to keep my mouth shut because people are like to listen you, so that's why. And you are motivated with me also and my viewer also. So
Okay.
it's very good for my channel also. You can say my viewer also. Good
Okay, so
information they will get
all
after
those
that.
people who are watching us, please, 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 I would not say that this was a motivational video. This was real example of what all I've done in my life, and this is what my fluency is if you all are watching me. Okay, this will also be the case with you, but today you will have to start, and it will not be possible in just 3 or 4 months. It has not been
Yes.
possible for me. I have taken almost 8 to 10 years, I would say, because I was in
Okay.
class 7 or 8 when I started. Now I am a postgraduate. I finished my master's in chemistry. I am an
Okay.
academic content writer and I teach chemistry to students. Okay, your first question was your introduction. I did not even introduce myself properly. I was so into English. That's okay. I introduced it now. So I take class for chemistry, 11th and 12th. So there also, those students whom I teach, they do not understand English very well. When I start speaking to them in English, they say, ma'am, please don't speak in English. Okay, we don't understand. Better try making us understand in Hindi. Even while staying in Mumbai or Maharashtra or wherever you go, people are more offering towards Hindi. For understanding, it's okay. But when it comes to global interaction or to a standard where you have to live or you have to compete with a better world around you, you will have
Yes.
to show your skill of English. It is required. We cannot survive saying that we are Indians and Hindi is sufficient for us and we did not practice English just because we are Indians. So that's again an excuse if people are saying like this.
Yes.
I don't know how much minutes have I covered. I'm so sorry that if I'm taking much of your time. Really, I
No,
don't
no,
know.
no,
Will
no,
this
no,
meeting
not an
end?
issue. No, no, because if you have any question, you can ask with me because I have asked a lot of question, whatever are my
Okay.
requirement. So you can
I
ask any
do
kind
not,
of question with me.
dear, I do not have any question. I just have a feedback for you that the way you are creating videos, you are improving your conversation. I feel there are many viewers who would be watching you, must be of your stage as of now. They would be speaking same like you. So please keep creating like this, and maybe in future when you improve, people will get a real example of how you have improved from beginning till end, watching from your first video till the last video, right? So I feel that you should keep creating like this so that people will really know the example. Now I have already learned, when I was in class 7th, I never thought that I'll create a YouTube video, so that I would have started it long then, and then showed people real example that how I practice, how I learn, how I speak to myself, how I come across those failure, how I talk to my teachers when I'm not able to talk to them. But
Yes,
that was not the thing that, at back then I did not know what YouTube and everything is. So that's okay, I have learned, but I am actually telling people that how can we improve. And anybody who has watched our conversation, if you felt like this was just a motivation session, then again
yes,
you are
yes,
wrong. Please don't do that. If you feel that you find anything informative in this, pause the video. Everyone hearing to us, pause the video and try speaking like us. Whatever you have understood till that part, try speaking like us. Okay, if you feel that you can speak at a stretch, then you are very good. You need to keep it
yes,
up. And if you feel like you're getting break in somewhere, you need to practice more and more. Results will be soon assured.
yes, yes,
Right,
yes.
Sonam,
And
what else?
no, Kavita, you give me a lot of, I can say, information and in a very short time, I can say, and I also learn a very good thing about your side, because you are just telling about your journey and how you express your learning
Yes.
like English, and I can say your voice is a very crystal, like
Thank
people
you.
can listen
Thank
your
you.
voice and listen your voice, like I can say it's very crystal voice you
Thank
have
you.
by God grace,
I have
and
been
yes,
getting comments over this, on my YouTube channel. Also, people have been saying that you have a sweet voice. I did not even recognize this, but since I've started YouTube, I feel like I really have it. Or is there some fabrication going on over my channel that people are just saying this? But I thought if somebody known people says this, I would say that that may be a lie. But you are a stranger. If you are saying this, I consider that it is true. And thank you so much.
no, not even in, I can say not even in English. I listen in your Hindi also, and your Hindi also very speak so
Okay.
like very well and very crystal voice in Hindi also. That is
Okay.
why I like to converse with you, and like people are aware about your side also, because you are very good people, like creating like a my kind of video English conversation. So they
Right.
will be must aware about all that thing. So if they want any kind of information knowledge, so they will be visit and learn a very good thing, not going like
Oh.
people are very confused where we go, where we
Hmm.
learn. So I will just
So
provide my viewers to go in that place so you can got a very good information.
it's not that way, dear. Even you are doing well. So it's not that only my channel is going to help. You are also making conversation. Those who are beginners can definitely learn from you. All of those creators who are working on YouTube are giving all their efforts. Everybody is having different potential and they are working with all your
Yes,
potential. You are also doing the same. So please do not consider inferior to somebody else and don't even compare yourself to me. The way you are giving clapping audience, you're giving Cambly people. I am not doing anything as such. I am just sitting and talking to people. So your comparison with me is different. You are at different level. I am at different level. So please don't say like that. It's my pleasure to be a part of your channel. And if you call me again, I'll definitely come. Okay. And
sure,
everyone
dear.
watching us, I'll say thank you, everyone. If you all have watched, I have the habit of saying namaste a lot of times. Please don't mind. It's not begging or something. It's namaste. I have the habit of saying this. So thank you everyone watching us. And Sonam, at the end, I would only say that please call me again someday. I'll definitely come and
Yeah,
talk once
yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah, sure, Kavita, it will
Okay.
be very nice conversation with you, and we
Okay.
will join in future again.
Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Shall we end the
okay,
call now?
yes, 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 Kavita. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye everyone. Namaste everyone and namaste to you too, Sonam.
Bye, Kavita, thank you.